Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing with March Make a Journal. So today should be the 14th if I got my dates right. There's about it. Should be March 14th. And we are making tags to match our theme. In the first video of the month, on the 5th, we picked our theme, gathered our supplies, then we cut our pages, made our journal cover, and assembled our journal. And this is, so far, my journal cover. I do want a wax seal right here. However, I also want to make wax seals farther down in the month, so I didn't want to make them separately. I'm going to make them all together. So there's that, but this is the journal so far. And then we made ephemera to match the theme. Here is my ephemera. Okay, here's all my ephemera here that I have. All right. And now we're making tags to match our theme. When we were last together, I told you that I thought I was going to just use the same ducks and eggs. Excuse me, I have the hiccups a little bit here. Eggs, ducks, and cows that I used for the ephemera, but I decided I'm not going to. I'm going to use the eggs. So I have these 3 eggs here. I might only use the one because this is not very good writing space, but maybe I could put a picture or something on the back for that tag, but we will see. Actually, you know what? I thought I came up with something different for those. Let's put that away. We'll use this one egg. I have this scrap paper here that I want to make little Taskmaster envelopes. So once again, I will not have the wax seals because I'm making them all at one time. So let's get started. All right, here is some paper. We're gonna cut this in half, I think. Yeah, that should work. We're gonna cut these in half. I think these are, I don't know what these are. 8.5, I thought so. So we're gonna cut them to 4 1/4. You know what? Let's not risk doing them both together. With my luck is not okay with that. Like, my luck is like, nope. So I'm just going to, let me take my, I'm just going to fold up like I did with the other one to figure out how big to make it. Where is my stuff? There we go. And then just fold this one down. And what we're going to do is, like we always do, I'm going to put a little piece of Velcro right here to keep it closed. So am I going to be able to do this the same as I just did and have them all the same? Let's get out my scoreboard and see where that would have been scored. I would like them to be all somewhat the same. So that's at 3 3/4 and 1 5/8. So 1 5/8 and 3 3/4. I'm just going to score them all. Okay. All right. Now, usually I try to give you a number, so I'm going to say 5. You should make 5 pieces of ephemera, 5 tags, and so on. This is just scrap paper from cutting down the pages. Because this is some of the cardstock I used inside the journal. Okay. I might have to reinforce these edges with washi tape. We will conquer that problem when we get to it. All right, so now I have my hole punch. I'm actually just going to put these all together and punch in the same spot on all of them so they all match. Okay. I'm going to use my smaller hole because there's not much room over here, and punch. Now I have a bunch of twine over here. This is the closest I have to red, and it looks very pink to me, like a pinky red, but we're going to go with it. So we're going to go with that, and then I think with the black. And I'm going to do 2 pieces. Oh. If you can hear that noise, my furnace is on. It just came on, and there's an old radiator is how this basement gets heated. And I think we need to get our heaters bled. The sound of grumbling that comes out of our heaters is like your belly when you're starving. Like, it's just grumbly. It is so grumbly. But I don't know, it's those weird, we have an oil furnace, so it's those weird like water thing, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? If you know anything about that, let me know. Do I have to get them bled? What do I have to do? Because I'll do that. I'm not doing that. I'll do that come spring or summer or fall, if I can remember. But it just gurgles so bad anymore. And I said something to my dad, but I don't think he knows either. Okay. And we'll cut 2 more pieces of this. I think I'm going to do something different for the egg. I do have actual ribbon. So I did go through my ribbon and trim drawer and clean it up, organize it. So I do actually know what I have. And all of these things, I ended up cutting a little notch in the top that I could shove the top down, the edge in, so it doesn't go anywhere. Okay. So we're going to take, something is creaking on my desk. What the heck is it? It's now so quiet down here now that the furnace stopped. It's going to take one. And put it through the holes. So we have one. Now let's get, I can still open this with this on to write. So let's get hook and loop little dots that I have. I bought these on Amazon ages ago and I have so many of them yet. Okay. I don't know what that is. It's driving me crazy. Okay, so we have that one. And we're just going to do the same. I'll do it one more time and then I'll go off camera and do the rest because you don't need to see it more than twice. I'm just putting them both together, folding them in half. Okay. And putting them through the hole. Like so. Splitting it open. Come on. And pulling through. And then I'm going to trim some of it off so it's completely even. Then take another one of these. Because now remember, once you put these on, you have to let them sit, you guys. You really do. Let's loosen this up so I can open this and get this down. You don't want to put it right at the edge. Okay. So there's another one and I will be back. Okay. For the egg, I have a bunch of these little scraps in here and when I was going through, I saw red. These are just little pieces that I could not get on how I was storing them. So I'm going to use that red and black, put these back in. It's unbelievably so quiet in here. It's kind of getting on my nerves. I wish the furnace would kick back on. It is so quiet. So yeah, I just had a bunch of little scraps of ribbon or ribbon that didn't belong with anything else. So I threw them in here. And then I'm just going to take and trim so they're even. And then I'm going to just fold them in half and staple it onto the top here with my little mini stapler. Okay, there we go. So there are our tags. I made 5. 4 of them are these little mini task envelopes. And then this one egg. There we go. Also, I think off camera, I might write Taskmaster across, because it does say task. Well, no, not the ones. Never mind. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to me. I have no opinions on this anymore. Just kidding. So, in the show, the one that the host Greg Davis holds says Taskmaster, but in the task, I don't think it does. So I'm just going to leave them how they are. I'm going to get them in the container with everything else. So the next time we're together, we're going to be making pockets and envelopes to match the theme. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.